Hi there. Have you ever felt anxious or unsure in front of a camera? Definitely I have. Welcome to my camera confidence project, day 44. As you see guys, that I have started to driving my car on the way to the place where you throw away the garbage. In Norway we have a very good solution for that. all of the all of the big garbage which has been what's called when you have all you collected. Yes, the right word is when you have collected a lot of big garbage, which is then you can go to a place here in Norway where you can go and throw away your garbage. So in that sense, this is Saturday and I'm going to throwing away the garbage. So I thought I can do my today's video of gaining camera confidence and see how I will progress. One thing I have learned from the 2 days back is to increase my energy when I'm talking in the videos, and also try to articulate better. In that sense, I will be able to sound a bit better, and that will also increase the sound quality, which I'm looking forward to. And today's topic is actually that I'm looking forward to see if I'm able to increase the quality of the voice directly from me first. And I can also inform you guys that already my video quality is getting better, and I'm understanding how to use my Insta360 equipment. As you see that I have a rooftop, and I have doing experiment to give better light condition when I'm opening up my rooftop, and the sunlight, even though it's a cloudy day and it's raining a bit, I think I'm not able to see directly in I'm not able to see directly in my small screen at the moment, but definitely when I will go check later on, when I will do in my post-production, I think it will be a better sound quality. And I have placed my mic in about the chest height, and this is what I've been doing in the couple of days or couple of sessions I'm doing. And the next thing, I have started to think about what kind of channel I will make when I'm finished with my camera confidence project. Even though I feel I'm ready to actually start making content, but the reason I am not doing it, that I want to be better and better and better in the technicalities of both the visual and the sound. And in a way, I have decided that I will announce my company, which I have already registered, to my family when I will be going on a course I have started with the media production. And then I will announce also to the general public that I am starting with a content creating company, and I will start with making videos of weddings, taking photographs, And used I have always liked to make content and maybe one day be a fully dependent or my main income. But I have gone away from that idea, as I know that the competence I have on my work is, it most likely will give me more income in the years coming, and I'm getting better and better, and maybe I will have a better leadership job in a couple of years. That's the reason I have decided that my hobby or content making will most probably be a hobby and a contribution to the society. And I think in that sense I will be able to both have good income in long term and also be actually doing my content creation hobby or interest to become our actually a job, a business, as a side business. I have in all my life I have actually only worked. I have never started a company or doing my own business. Even though I have been working in banks, I have good understanding of both the financial, both for the private and the company market. And I have also actually been as a volunteer working for different organizations and had both board member and also leadership roles. And I know I'm capable of making or starting, and I understand the functionality, and I will say that I have knowledge to gain the skills which are required both in the formalities of for the government and the formalities of that business. But you cannot or not always decide what kind of life you will get. You have to play your cards as good as you can. And in the days situation, I have actually done this. I think I'm satisfied from the result I have been having and had, both the financial or in other aspects of my life. And one skill which I am proud of is actually I'm always willing to learn new things, new skills, and I am not shy away from changing myself. And that is one of the skills or competence I think is most beneficial for most people. And unfortunately, this is a skill or many people do not have. They live in a society, they live in a culture, and they live in a situation they don't want to change actually. And they can say that they want to come out of the situation, but they are not willing to do what are the necessary actions they have to do, necessary tasks, the necessary activities which are required to change your situation. And that is, I think that is very weakness of many of us, that we do not try what we want to do. We do not live our lives as we want to live. But I will say that I'm lucky one, which at least many times are able to try new activities, new actions, new tasks, and I'm willing to make a bet on it. I can inform you that I had a very good, stable job in a bank. And one day I decided that I shall finish my diploma. And I was thinking that if I'm not capable of getting a new job after I have finished my diploma, then that's a big weakness in me. And that's how I quit my job, I finished my diploma, and I got new job. That job was also banking, almost the same kind of job. I worked there for 3 years, and after the pandemic, I want to start a new phase in my life, to quit my bank job. And as you know, maybe that I actually am educated in technical part, engineering, but life made me gave me a chance to work in financials. Then I have done it in 15 years. But I'm saying that I sent one application for a job which I liked, where I could have use for my competence which I have built up in the bank, and the competence of my technical background. And today I am a business analyst in a tech company. So I can't say that I am 100% always doing what my thoughts are saying me, but sometimes I'm willing to take a bet, and that is what I'm doing also now. That I have started this project, and in a way, this is not the first time I have thought about gaining camera confidence. I have made some couple of videos of myself because I had to do it, and I know that those videos were not good, and I could see on myself the anxiety, the anxiousness, and the stiffness, but I still had to do it. It was when I was campaigning for my political career. I had to send or inform my persons who was in relation with me, but it was up to maybe 200 people. So I decided to make a video. First of all, that I am going for the election. I'm running for the election, and I had also show them how to give me the vote. So I made a video and sent to them, all of them, even knowing that this wasn't the best video, but I think it had an impact. And another thing I also have done it is that I have learned that you need to reply also when afterwards, when they have given you the vote. I'm not sure who has given me or who has not given me, but I know that I have sent this person a reminder directly, personally. Then I have also need to send them in later on. And a friend of mine who also was on the election, we made a party of the people who had actually been giving us the vote, and a celebration. I think that was one of the biggest, uh, one of the good suggestion I have got, and I'm proud of doing it. Now I am almost at the called Lindum Yenminning. It means that this is the place where we can come and throw our garbage. Garbage meaning here is that if you have old, as I have big old screens, And I have another. Now I know that I'm not able to throw away this. I'm not able to throw away the seats, electric seats from the car. So I need to go another place afterwards. So we will start by coming here, and then later on. And now my time is also getting over, and I will thank you guys that if you are seeing this, and if you are willing to give me a reply, I will appreciate. But the most important part for this is to actually, for myself, that I'm able to make those videos, make this video, and later on see how I'm progressing, comparing with my other videos. So in that sense, I am thanking you all guys that you were here today, and I'm able to finish my video. Until next time, bye bye.